Good morning class. Today we discuss general principles and processes of isolation of element. Before starting this chapter, now let us clarify some terms. Minerals. Minerals are the natural occurring substance found on earth crust. Minerals are the natural occurring substance found on earth crust. While the ores are those minerals from which metal are extracted profitably and economically. Ores are those minerals from which metals are extracted profitably and economically. For example, bauxite is an ore of aluminium, while the hematite is an ore of iron. Similarly, calamine is an ore of zinc. I repeat it again. Mineral are natural occurring substance found on earth crust, while the ores are those minerals from which metals are extracted profitably and economically. Now let us consider the term Gangu, Gangue, Gangu on matrix. The earthy, sandy, rocky impurities associated with ores. I repeat, the earthy, sandy, rocky impurities associated with ores is said to be Gangu or matrix. Now let us discuss the term metallurgy, the entire scientific and technological process by which we extract metal from their ores. I repeat, the entire scientific and technological process by which we extract metal from their ore is said to be metallurgy. Generally, metallurgy of any metal consists of three main steps. These are number one, concentration of ore, number two, extraction of crude metal from concentrated ore, and number third is the refining of metal. Now we can understand the metallurgy of metal with the help of flow sheet. Now let us discuss. First we have a metal in impure form, that is powdered ore. The first process involved is concentration of ore. Concentration of ores can be done by following methods. Concentration of ore can be done by following methods. These methods include, number first is the hydraulic washing. The first method is hydraulic washing. Student, concentration of ore means the process of removal of unwanted material from ore. This can be done by one of the following technique. The first one is the hydraulic washing. In hydraulic washing technique, the stream of water is passed through powdered ore. The light impurity washed away with water, leaving behind heavy ore particles. The second technique we generally employ is froth flotation method. Froth flotation method. This method is generally employed for concentrating sulfide ores, in which the powdered ore is mixed with the pine oil water mixture and air is blown through them. Sulfide ore particles are light, come along with froth, which is skimmed out dry for recovery of metals. The third method is magnetic separation. The third method is magnetic separation. This is generally employed for magnetic ore, and the fourth method employed for this purpose is chemical separation method or called leaching. Student, the first process of metallurgy is concentration of ore, means the process of removing unwanted material from ore. This can be achieved by one of the following technique. These are the hydraulic washing, flotation method, magnetic separation, and leaching. The second process of metallurgy is extraction of crude metal. Extracting crude metal from concentrated ores. Extraction of crude metal from concentrated ore is the second process of metallurgy. This step of metallurgy further have two parts. The first part is conversion of concentrated ore into oxide and then reduction of that oxide. I repeat again, this process consists of further two steps. First is conversion to oxide, that is conversion of concentrated ore to oxide. This can be further done by roasting or by calcination. And the second is, the first is the conversion of oxide. This can be achieved by roasting and calcination. You already discussed in class 10. The process of strongly heating of ore in excess of air is called roasting, generally employed for sulfide ore, while the process of strongly heating of ore in limited supply of air is called calcination. The second part of it is reduction of oxide to metal, that is reduction of oxide to metal. Reduction of oxide to metal generally involve heating of oxide ore with suitable reducing agent, generally carbon or carbon monoxide employed for this purpose. The third step of metallurgy is refining. Refining of metal generally done by one of the following technique, which may include distillation. The second one is liquefaction. Third one is electrolysis. Fourth one is zone refining method, which further consists of two methods. These are Mond process for nickel and Van Arkel method for zirconium and titanium. Thereafter, next step is it's a vapor phase refining method. Correction is there. It's a vapor phase refining method. Vapor phase refining method generally consists of two parts. It is Mond process and Van Arkel method. Mond process for nickel ore and Van Arkel is for zirconium and titanium ore. Thereafter, we have zone refining method and thereafter chromatography. So it is the flow chart of this chapter. I repeat it again. Minerals are those which are obtained from earth crust, and the ores are those from which metals are extracted profitably and economically. Gengu are the earthy, sandy, rocky impurities associated with ores, while the metallurgy is the entire scientific and technological process by which we extract metal from their ores. Metallurgy consists of three steps. These are the concentration of ore, extraction of crude metal from concentrated ore, and then refining. Concentration of ore is means the process of removing unwanted material from ore. This can be done by one of the following techniques. These are the hydraulic washing, flotation method, magnetic separation method, and leaching. Thereafter, the concentrated ore, in second step, extracting crude metal from concentrated ore. This can be done by two of following further techniques. These are the conversion of oxide, and which can be achieved by roasting and calcination, and then reduction of oxide to metal. Thereafter, the purification of metal is required, which can be done by refining method by one of the following technique. It may include distillation, liquefaction, electrolysis, vapor phase refining, which have further two parts, Mond process and Van Arkel method, and zone refining, and thereafter chromatography, which will be discussed in our next classes. Thank you.